What's going on, team? So, I was just out hanging out here with my mate Jack, who just came by. He's got this supercharged Mark 1 here. And all of a sudden this random guy came by looking to buy exhaust. Turns out it's from a chap over the road. And he was just about to put it back in his boot, and we thought, well, why not just fit it on my drive right now? So that's what we're doing. Bit of a random day, but yeah, we're just going to stick it on and go from there. So he's picked up this Malian Backbox. Just pulled off the old Backbox out of his Mark 2.5. Pretty straightforward job. Just got these two bolts up on here, one there and one there, and the three exhaust hangers that we've just pulled off there. A little bit of WD-40 and the screwdriver that we've used there as well, just to apply them off. So we're going to stick the new one on now. So we're just offering the exhaust up now. Gone straight back in the hangers, easy. Yeah, straight back in the hangers. That one's been a bit of a bugger, but we'll get it on up in there. And then just a couple of bolts again, that's it. There we go, all tightened up and ready to go. Start her up. Yeah, that's right. I think it's just got a little bit, like we said, that pipe is just rattling a little bit against the subframe there, but don't think there's much we can do about that now. Oh well, at least it's on. You can go home. So there we go, team. What a random day. Guy turns up, buy an exhaust over the road, we fit it, done in 10 minutes. He's heading back to Milton Keynes happy. And if you like what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.